Hey y'all, coming to you from the international headquarters of ScottieDTV, but I was up at Nichols Paint and Fab for their annual shindig. And you know, not everything I've covered in the past 13 years has always been car related. Some planes, some boats. This time it's a mobile cigar lounge. And man, is it cool. I don't care anything about cigars, but you know I love cool. And I know a lot of my friends really do dig cigars. And man, I gotta tell you, this was really cool. Let me get the camera turned around. We'll take a quick look at it. Fellas, I may not know a lot about cigars, but I do know a lot about cool. And man, what you all have brought to the Nichols Paint and Fab open house is absolutely some of the coolest trailer I've ever seen.
Thanks,
Tell me a little bit about it.
So it's a 28-foot enclosed trailer that we turned into a mobile lounge. You know, we had this idea that wanted to kind of bring that experience to the folks. So when you walk into a normal lounge, sit down and smoke a cigar, you have that feel when you're in the trailer. And that's kind of the way we did it from the beginning. It was from the whole time putting it together. We went from shell the trailer to what it is now, and looks like a lounge when you walk in, and that's the feel that we wanted. So
no doubt about it. Did you do all the work yourself?
Yeah,
we
did all the work. Yeah.
Yeah.
We went from just a regular box trailer to what it looks like. Looks like an old time saloon.
Right. No, it absolutely
it's got the
does.
Saloon feel.
Yeah, and I had heard about it talking to Justin yesterday. I wasn't sure what I was going to see. You know, when I got done doing my major work today, I was like, I'm going to find a cigar bar and see what that thing's like. Right. And when I walked in, you're right, it has the tin ceiling in it, so it feels like
it's got a wow factor.
Yeah, and it does feel old Western kind of a thing.
Yeah.
And so have y'all been passionate about cigars for a long time?
We always have.
Yeah.
Every time we go to an event, we got a cigar, and we can see guys walk past us without a cigar, and they just put their head down. And they're thinking, man, I should have brought a cigar.
That's kind of what brought us to the, to this. We're being at different events and smoking a cigar, and everybody comes up, hey, where'd you get a cigar from? Oh, I brought it. And sometimes you got an extra one in your pocket. They're like, can I buy that, or can I have it? And you give it to them, and then it was like, all right, a light bulb. Let's do this. Why not?
It got to the point where we were carrying 4 or 5 extra cigars with us, and my wife's like, are you going to smoke all them? No, I'm going to smoke one and sell the other 4 or 5. And we'd walk back to the car empty-handed.
So y'all were a mobile cigar dispensary even before you had this.
On foot.
You had figured it out. How cool is that?
Yeah.
How long did it take to build?
It was about a 4-month project, working full time, and he's working full time with kids, and so it was I get off work and go out there till 4 or 5 in the evening until 8, 9 o'clock at night, and just keep doing that for a few months.
Right on.
Yeah, we got the trailer special order back in October. We ordered the 8-foot ceilings and everything, and to kind of give it that feel, so you walk in, it's not short. It looks like it's tall. We got it first part of November, and from November till a month and a half ago when we launched, we've been doing something on it every night, just about, or every day, or
And we had good help. We had our stepdad, Jim Understall. We had my future son-in-law, Nathan Carpenter, and his dad, Dwayne Carpenter, and our brother, one of our brothers, Brandon. He helped us put the floor down. That's kind of what he does. And it's just we just kind of kept it in the family, type thing. And everybody's like, wow, you guys built this. Like, we just had a guy standing outside the door wanting to know if we had somebody build it for us. Like, no, brother, we did all that work.
Yeah. And there's where my deep interest came, because I thought it was cool when I was in there. Like I said, I know cool, and that was cool. But then talking to you, it was like, did you build this? And as soon as you started telling me, oh yeah, I'm a pinstriper, and I laid all this out, he gave you the credit for coming up with the idea.
Oh yeah, definitely.
And, we come across people that, either don't smoke or don't know how to smoke. They're like, oh, I got a cigar at a wedding, but I really didn't know how to smoke it. So, I'll teach you how to smoke a cigar. I'll teach you, educate you how to cut it and light it, and enjoy
That's more than
it.
just selling.
Yeah,
it is.
Yeah, y'all are here educating people and your passion and all that.
Yeah.
And if people want to get in touch with you, or they want to have this thing come out there, what's the best way to do that?
Yeah, they can go to our website at bigfellasmobilecigarlounge.com. Find us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. You can give me a call. My number's on our Facebook page, and if you're looking to book something, booking at mobilecigarlounge.com. Just reach out. There's multiple ways with social media. We're kind of on most of the platforms right now, and that's kind of we communicate that way. And if you're looking for us, find out where we're at. I usually post something ahead of time, a few weeks, and then the week of, we're posting on social media, just telling us where we're at. Like this week, I started on Monday posting that we're going to be down here at Justin's place, and just putting it out there.
And he can find us. Justin knows where we're at.
Well, the whole world doesn't.
Yeah.
Right? They don't know. The whole world doesn't know Justin as much as we think they do. They don't.
Yeah.
And fellas, just introduce yourself so people know. And any other things we need to know about, the whole deal you got going on. Let me know about that.
Well, I'm Mike Joyner.
I'm Brian Joyner.
Oh, y'all brothers.
brothers.
Yeah, we're brothers.
I'm oldest. He's second next.
Yeah.
all
So,
right.
yeah, and like I said, you know, I've had this idea, and when I started talking about it, we're both cigar guys, and he's like, man, I'd like to, you know, take a bite into that with you, and let's do it. And so we decided, you know, what the heck, you know, let's give it a try. And you know, I figured if it doesn't work out, what the heck? I mean, the worst thing I got a hell of a man cave and a cigar collection, so you know.
Yeah. Not a bad write-off.
Right.
No. Fellas, I appreciate you giving me time today so much, and I gotta tell you, that is probably the coolest idea I've seen in a long time, and that's coming from a guy that doesn't smoke cigars.
Yeah,
But
well,
cool is cool.
appreciate it.
Thanks, man. Very much appreciated.
Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.